1430, decks awash, bound vertical thruster.
There are reactivating. Here we go. Dive, dive, dive.
Verticals confirmed, rails awash. Destination south 3300 degrees, 150 feet away. Switch to underwater telephone upgrade down.
150. Go now, push it now. Hold.
There's a beautiful land sports submarine.
Who's driving this?
They're going to sit.
In the water.
I think we have enough to,
I don't think it really drives forward, but I think it just goes down. I know you should.
Oh, there's Gus. I thought I lost you. Can anybody see right here?
Okay, I'm gonna take a video. Are you ready?
Yeah, come.
Almost, yeah, all right, yeah. Starboard side, are you guys awake?
Yeah.
That's much better. Before we go any further, I want everybody to sit up straight. Sit up straight, work on that posture, sit up straight now. I want you to lean back, lean back, lean back and say aloha to your backrest. Aloha.
mine's too small.
Righty then. So that is beak-like mouth that he has, but that iridescent green, he's just one of the most magnificent looking fish in the ocean as far as I'm concerned.
Wow, I like that big, colorful one.
And these guys have been very closely studied by marine biologists because they have a couple of very unique characteristics. Number one is they produce all that sand. You're talking thousands of pounds of sand per year. The other thing is they're all born as female, according to marine biologists. Reason being is they're all born as female, so usually you'll have 6, 8, maybe 10 females to one male. And if that one male disappears or is eaten or dies off, then she becomes a he in order to propagate the species. And it's not uncommon for various marine species to change their sexual orientation in order. And behind them are those big, beautiful parrotfish that are cruising about out there. But alrighty, folks, we are back on the surface. It's going to be a couple of minutes before we get the support vessels tied up alongside. Starboard side, keep your eyes peeled as the Holokai makes her way in.
Clear to surface, clear to surface. Welcome back. Roger that, welcome back.
Did you come out of the water?
It looks like it, yeah.
See where it's lighter color? No. Come out of the water. That's what we're going to go with.
Are you going to have to swim?
No, it's coming up. There's the door. Here it comes.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
We're on Magdalena South on 88 Alpha. We try as well. 6s, 4s, 3-4 looks good. Clear on hatches, returns all around.
And there she is, the Atlantis 4 back from 130 feet below the surface. So as you can see, Roxy's going to make her way in. She's going to pull up on one side of the sub and cap